Hello scientists, I hope you all have your thinking caps on today because we're going to do a little investigation. You all should have a rock in front of you that you have stumbled upon somewhere out in nature. And for our activity, we're going to make a Padlet blog about what we notice, wonder, and think about this rock. So you should all already be at the Padlet website, logged in, ready to go. And from here, we're going to go to Make a Padlet. Then it's going to show you 7 different layout options. We're going to click Shelf for our activity. This is blue icon right here. I want you to click on that, and then it's going to make a quick Padlet for you. So the very first thing we have to do is to create a title. It should be the very first thing on the right hand side of your screen, and I want you just to backspace this. And you can make your title as creative as you'd like. I am going to do a simple title, and you guys can do a title just like mine if you want to, but I'm going to just do I'm curious about. And you guys of course can be creative, or you can have a simple title. It's totally fine, whatever your heart desires. So we're going to change this title. The next things are optional. If you'd like to change them, you're totally welcome to. The first thing is to change the icon. This is just going to add a little emoji. I think I'm going to do this one with the little pink star eyes, because that one's pretty cute and fun. The next thing is wallpaper. You can just click this real quick and kind of play around with it. I think I'm going to do this pink one personally because I like pink. And then you can change the color scheme and the font as well, but I'm just going to keep mine the same for today. And then all this other stuff I want you guys to leave alone, just because that's going to mess with the formatting, and we just want to change the appearance. So once you're happy with your appearance, you can go ahead and click Next. And then it'll say you're all set, post to your heart's content. From here we're going to click Start Posting. It's going to show up a little white box that says Section 1. I want you to go ahead and backspace this, because that's not the title of our section. And we're going to type in I notice ... This is going to be our first section, and I'll go into detail about each section in a minute. But for now we're just going to do the title. So I notice ... Now I want you to click Save. Then I want you to click Add Section, and then for this section we're going to do I wonder ... We're going to click Save. Then the third section we're going to have is going to be I think ... And of course click Save, Add Section, and then the very final section is going to be I learned ... Okay, so for each section this is how it's going to work. So for I notice, I want you guys to click this plus sign, and you don't have to worry about adding a subject. We can just go straight down to write something incredible, or it might have a different adjective, but just this bottom half under the little hexagon shapes. And this is what the things that you're going to notice about your rock. Things that you can notice are going to be qualitative data, and what we remember from learning about data is qualitative is stuff that you can see. So this can be things like the color, the texture, the appearance, the size, the weight, anything that you can notice just by looking at it. So for example, maybe my rock is black, it has holes, it is heavy, and then those are just some examples. And then you can click Publish, and then that's how we're going to do our different little posts under each section. So that's our first section. I want you to put as many as you can, just so we have a good idea of what your rock is. The next one is going to be I wonder. Here we're going to do the same thing, and down here where it says write something fantastic, we're going to write anything that you wonder about your rock. This can be about where it came from. This can be about what kind of rock it is. It can really be anything that you're wondering about your rock. There's no right or wrong answer. Like, you can put anything that you're wondering. And then I want you to push Publish once you're done, but I didn't type anything in, so I'm not going to push Publish. But okay, the next section is I think. These are going to be your predictions, and you're going to do the same as we've done the past two with the plus sign, and come down here and type something in. And this is going to be things that you predict about your rock, like I think this rock came from this place, or whatever you predict about your rock. And then this final section we're going to leave alone for today, and we're going to circle back once we finish our unit. So y'all can just leave this alone for now. And I want you to put as many as you can under each section. But yes, everyone, I want you guys to ask any questions that you may have. And yeah, happy observing.